Hi, in this video we will review the new sticker widget. It's an old friend of ours. It's already explained in many demos on this YouTube channel, but in this case we will see how it works in detail. So first you can see it working like this, either on this example, Miss Widgets, or on the sales widgets, which I take the configuration from. The configuration is actually the same. Let's see how the configuration is done. It requires by default only one field set, which is the val field, which can contain any text to display, and optionally you can set color and label color for it. The val field is text, but it can contain formatting text, which you can find here on text formatting. So that's what we do there. We create text by adding several pieces of text, some with format, some without. And we also set the label color and label color according to the amount. If it's too low, set it to red. If it's in between, set it to orange, otherwise set it to green. And that's all. Let's go and create it now. We go new. Let's call it news sticker example. We will need the widgets extension. Let's click create. Let's go to design. We will use the sample event source. So we drag a source, select sample event source, and leave the default configuration. We will need a transformer. So we connect the transformer to the data view. The data view will be a new sticker, of course. And we will leave the configuration by default. Show date displays the date on the right side of the new sticker. We will leave it like that. We will use formatting, which we'll need for the bold and for the icon. And time changes color is an interesting feature I will explain later. And max items, how many items do we want to keep on the new sticker? Let's click OK. So as I said, it's really simple. It only requires one required field, but we will also use, in this case, the color and label color. Since we are going to be creating the text from parts, we will need many items over here. Let's start. It will be the icon, then a space, then we can put the category in bold, then colon space and a $sign, then the amount, and I think it was all. No, the country was somewhere over there, so let's add here. We will have another space. I don't remember exactly the configuration, but it's the same in this case. Country name, no, let's put the name here and the country name in bold, but you can change it however you please. We will use formatting the image from, we have to generate the image address from the country code. We have a utility for that because we tend to use it quite a lot, and util call country code to flag URL. And we have the country code over here, and we set the image there. And as I showed before, we will set the color depending on the value of the amount. If the amount is less than the number 30, then we will set the color to some red. Else, if the value is less than 60, that is, it's not less than 30 but it's less than 60, it will try the else if. It will be orange. Yeah, the orange is okay. Otherwise it will be green. And For the red, we will set the label color to white, otherwise it won't be really nice. For the orange, let's try with black. So we have it, we can see undefined, so I think I misspelled something. I'm missing a U over here. We can see in the output preview if I'm doing it right. Yeah, we can see the country there. And yeah, now it's working. We have the country flag, the country name, the category, colon space, dollar sign, and the number. As with the other widgets, you can right click and have options. Clear is one and filter is another one. With filter, you can say, okay, let's see only the food items, and it will even update when new food events come in, or only from Italy, or only the ones that have 4 in it, so something like that. Here in this case the 4 is in the date, so it will happen, and now it will stop happening. And as I said, let's try it. I don't know if we will be able to see it, but let's generate an event every 15 seconds and click OK. And on the settings, time changes color. This was a feature asked from a customer. And the thing is that new sticker tends to be useful when you want to put warning or alerts or important things that happen over here. And the thing is that when an error is at the top, they don't know from far away if the error is old or new. So what this option does is that when time passes, the background color starts decaying. Let's say it's less strong, so they can tell that the color is decaying when 2 or 3 reds are at the top, but the one at the top is really red. It means it's new. It may be useful for you. Certainly is for them, so that's why we have it here, and we think it's really interesting and useful. So this was a new sticker. We saw all the options and features of it. In case you have any doubt, just comment in this YouTube video or contact us on Twitter, Facebook, or via email, and we will happily reply. Bye.